Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say Emmanuel Agbogun na evil seed planter. He say Emmanuel Agbogun dey beat the drum of war for Benin. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
Emmanuel Agbogun, you not come out one day to condemn the 3 road project. Well, Shomole award for airport road for 3 contractor. You keep quiet. Emmanuel Agbogun, you never talk about the 30 billion naira or Shomole collect where they put us on that bondage. So when they be say if rain they fall, we don't fit drive motor, we don't fit go and recover erosion. You are a wicked man. My brothers and sisters, una good evening. Happy Sunday. How the family, how the children. Una do well. When una don't take follow us for this broadcast, una do well when una don't take time to listen to waiting at the talk. And when una just share this broadcast, they invite una friend. Now God go bless all of una. Una do well, una too much. Talk no go kill us. We go continue to the talk. The reason why we go to talk be say now make people they get the right information. I don't need anybody to pay me to talk. But if you ask me, Apostle, why you dey talk? I don't know. But I believe that I'm waiting God to make I do for the season. And I will continue to do them until they say, son, enough. Una good evening. Talk am as it be. I welcome when I come this evening broadcast. When it be say something just dey trouble my mind. As if I not talk am. God will forgive me. Talk am as it be in a broadcast of truth. We say it the way it is, without looking back, without fear of favor. The white man will say it the way it is. We will continue to the talk on. Now, this boy matter, Emmanuel S. Agbogun. I say make I talk to him this evening and make the DSS invite him already quick. Because they get some question where they need to ask Emmanuel Agbogun. Emmanuel S. Agbogun, why you dey plant evil seed in the heart of the people? Emmanuel Agbogun, why you dey instigate Edo people against the governor? Emmanuel Agbogun, why you dey cause chaos for this state? Emmanuel Agbogun, it is very clear now, say now you, they lead the talks when they destroy property for Edo State. You remember, you do video day before yesterday night, say get where palliative food for this town. The following morning, people go to destroy where government keep palliative. As if say that one not reach, they begin to bust people warehouse. Emmanuel Agbogun, what are you looking for? Because now you instigate the problem we'll get for Edo State right now. Emmanuel Agbogun, be careful. I think I will address you this thing because you are not constituting nuisance in this state. And the DSS need to invite you immediately. You need to tell the state what you know about the attack, the evil activity for this state. Then your brother, your friend, Maleke. I said 2 of them want to talk to this evening. Maleke, you remember say you do video. You say the day when they go Oko prison, when they go free those people. You say you deal with the people. When they shout, Oko, Oko, Oko. You call revise. Knowing fully whether these guys they were going to attack Oko prison. Why you not draw the attention of the state government? Why you not draw the attention of the military? My brother, now 2 of una go give account for which they happen for this state. This state has been peaceful. All the evil plan during the election not work. Now, Emmanuel Agbogun, you are going about instigating people against the governor. Emmanuel Agbogun, you have been planting evil seed in the heart of the people. Your cup, it don't full. Emmanuel Agbogun, your cup don't full. This is a time you need to be arrested. I am recommending for your immediate arrest. May you tell the whole world what you know about the prison break for Edo State and the hoodlum attack on our state government. Enough is enough. Abina, you want to become the new Kabaka in town? Emmanuel Agbogun, do you want to become the new Kabaka in town? Do you want to become the new leader of Lions and Tiger? If you not succeed during the election, even now, you not going to succeed. Election is over, but yet you keep instigating the people against the government. You instigate the people against the deputy governor Shaibu. What is your problem, young man? Don't you have work to do? You call yourself activist. You call yourself activist. According to you. No. Emmanuel Agbogun did not speak the truth. This is not a time we have to say the way it is now. And anybody when they support Emmanuel Agbogun for the evil when they go on for the state, you are an enemy of the state. Emmanuel Agbogun, what are you looking for? You're too small to cause problem for this state. If nobody do ever talk to you, this evening I will talk to you. You're too small to instigate people against the government. Lying up and down. Enough is enough. Emmanuel Agbogun, enough is enough. Remember the Bible says anything a man plants, now he will reap. As the Wakanda, they plant evil seed in the heart of the people against the peaceful state, against our government. Get ready to face the music, because everybody will turn against you. All your evil work during the election, God destroy. Now election is over. You have refused to relax, and you want to keep creating problem. Get ready to eat the problem. You go eat and belly full. Enough is enough. Now let you want this state Emmanuel Agbogun. Why you not go meet Buhari for Abuja? Say why increase fuel? What did you do? What did you do? How many times you don't lead protest against the government that increase fuel? Emmanuel Agbogun, you and other activists that call yourself activists, how many times you don't lead protest against Buhari government? Emmanuel Agbogun, how many times you lead protest against Oshiomhole 10 billion naira mansion when they built for Iyamo? Emmanuel Agbogun, how many times you don't lead protest against Oshiomhole for the private jet when he get what 11.5 billion naira? Emmanuel Agbogun, your cup don't full. You talk calmly, but you are acting foolishly. You talk calmly, you are becoming so foolish because you are still talking like a baby. I thought you were a matured guy. I never knew you were a foolish boy. You are a very foolish boy. You keep talking, you keep instigating the people. Now the people have gone to loot a private warehouse. People goods. They go to loot people goods. And you are involved. You are the ringleader. And you'll be held liable. The state government should get you arrested because you're too small to cause problem for this state. This state has been peaceful. Must you benefit from every government? Must people eat from every government? You have been a supporter of Oshiomhole from day one. You never see anything wrong with Oshiomhole. You must be a stupid boy. Time don't reach. If nobody talk to you, Apostle Alfred will talk to you because you are behaving like a baby. You are behaving like a baby. You know how many people don't die because of you? You know how many people don't die because of you? Emmanuel Agbogun, enough is enough. Your days are numbered. Pikin, fly, we know the year word. He go follow dead body enter grave. Now you know they go so. For how long will you continue to instigate the people against the government? For how long? Emmanuel Agbogun, both the people that is supporting you, all of una are ready to face the wrath of the state. What are you looking for that the governor have not done? You call yourself activist, where you for the work? And how many persons have you helped in this state? You have becoming, you have been constituting nuisance in this state. It is time for you to go to zoo and relax there. Emmanuel Agbogun, enough is enough. Your days are numbered. I don't care what anybody wants to say. You have been creating problem in this state. You have been planting evil seed in this state. Talk Amasibi, Nale you want in this state. Emmanuel Agbogun, Nale you want in this state. Nale you want in this state. Every day you keep planting evil seed in the heart of the people. What do you stand to gain, Emmanuel Agbogun? What do you stand to gain? By instigating people. And you they happy say they loot people property. You they happy say, oh my God, you are a very stupid boy. You are celebrating that they loot. Oh God. What does hospital equipment have to do with rice and beans or dodo? And you are celebrating. And you are celebrating for all the things stolen, all the television, all the radio, all the fridge, all the deep freezer that was stolen, everything in your hand. Now your head will go find those things. And the people, when he died, their blood in your head. Now blood in your head. Because now it is so clear that you are the one inciting the people against the government. I've been watching you, I've been listening to your stupid broadcast. Your time is up. If nobody do ever talk to you, me, Apostle Alfred, who you know, sir, I go address you this evening. Enough is enough. Emmanuel Agbogun enter house. You're too small to cause problem for this state. This state has been peaceful. Just because your principal did not win the election, and you say you want to cause chaos in this state? Ha. You dey celebration and loot proper. Oh God. There are people when he die, their blood now your head will go for final. Emmanuel Agbogun, hope you are hearing me. I don't care anywhere you did for this town. I am going to call on the DSS and the state government to get you arrested immediately, because you are the architect of the problem we are currently experiencing in those states. You are the architect, because before fire the bomb, now person I light the smoke. Enough is enough. This one when you do so, now you do reach. This one when you do so, now you do reach. You mean you're not happy say the state they peaceful? You mean you are not happy that the state is calm? Why do you choose to incite the people against the government? What are you looking for? You want to create problem in this state? Bros, you go use your head carry that problem. You go use your head carry that problem. You go use your head carry that problem. And immediate arrest. They should get you arrested immediately. You go tell the whole world what you know. You and Maleke, una go tell the whole world what you know about the prison break. And una go tell the whole world. Because now give people address to go loot private individual goods. And you are rejoicing? You are rejoicing. You think you can create problem for the state? Even till now, I expect you to sit down. Why not use your brain to ask yourself question? What am I doing? You dey appreciate people die, Abi? You never do video to condemn the activities of Oshomole. You never do video to condemn the activities of Buhari. Enough is enough. And all those supporting you to create problem in this state, all of you are going to carry that problem. All of you are going to carry that problem. The state has been peaceful, but you guys does not want us to have peace in this state. Una no go get peace. Una no go get peace. I don't care whatever anybody wants to say this evening. I don't care. I don't care. Those of you clapping, Nemesis will catch up with you now. Those of you clapping, say the state is into confusion. Continue. I clap for you now. And you guys are rejoicing. How can one man be causing problem in the state? How can one man be causing problem in the state? And some people, what is not good is bad. What is not good is bad. Election is over. Why can't you people sit down and think how we can join us together to build a state? Election has come and gone. Why would not we join us together to say, let us see how we can build a state together? But yet you guys want to cause confusion. As soon as they cause confusion for this state, now thunder go locate all of you now. Enough is enough. It's not, the election is gone. Why not join together to say, let us join, let us build a state. Let us see how we can make this state healthy for the whole world so that we can achieve our goal. Then you get are bent on destroying the state. Now so God go destroy you now. I be sure I go talk to now before, but now I am ready for you guys. Enough is enough. You guys are wicked. Election is gone. Why can't you guys sit down and think with your brain? All you they think now to cause problem for the state. Who are DC? At first, you not succeed during the election. Now the election is over, you not go see succeed. And the inauguration will be successful. And the second term of Obaseki is going to be the best. And the good things Edo people ever long for, Edo people will get it. The good road, the airport, the seaport that Edo people desire, they will get it. Not, you cannot stop it. You too small. Emmanuel Agbogu, you're too small to cause problem for my state. You're too small. It can all the dead body. Those of you inciting problem in this state, now problem will locate you now. Immediately. Those of you that have vowed to say this state will never have peace, I withdraw now on peace. Now no go get peace again. Never. Never. Those of you that have vowed that you must destroy this administration, now so God go destroy you now. No matter who not be. No matter who not be. We are all prepared to take the state forward. And some of you, you are inciting evil in the land. It will never be well with evil people in this land. It will never be well. It will never be well with you people. It will never be well with you people. It will never be well with you people. Never. For the first time, we enjoy peace for the state. Some of us don't like peace. We don't go get peace. For the first time, since I'm walking where we don't want peace, we don't go get peace. Some of you now will need to just look for the next ticket to buy and get out of the state. Because the state is marching on and nobody can stop it. Not even you, Emmanuel Agbogu, you not rich. MC Casino, I listen to your broadcast. When you say they attack when I go and I will cause problem for the state, yet when I cause problem for the state. Who shit forget? Who cannot forget? Who shit forget? Who cannot forget? For how long will people keep sitting down to think? Enough is enough. We are ready for you guys. Emmanuel Agbogun, how many times I call you? You too small to cause problem for this state. You too small to cause calamity in this state. You are too small. You are still a small boy. Small boy. You call yourself activist? Is that how activist behave? An activist is supposed to be a peacemaker. An activist is supposed to be a man who think and say how you can take the state forward. But you, your own activist that to destroy. You are a very stupid human being. As I verse this evening, Emmanuel Agbogun, be careful. As I don't go talk, you will come in this evening, quite a verse. You keep behaving like a baby. Keep behaving like in charge. And you sit down, you are causing problem in the state. Una go share. As una take gather, say this state no get peace. Me, I withdraw my own peace. As una take gather, so I want put this state under chaos. Now chaos una go dey chop for food every day. Now chaos, now I go dey eat every day. Chaos. Una go wake up chaos. Una go dey sleep chaos. Whether I like him or not, this state must be developed. Whether I like him or not, Obaseki will do what he need to do to take us to the next level. Time is up for evil people in the land. Oh, now don't reach. Enough is enough. It is time for the DSS to invite you to tell us what you know. You must tell us what you know about the jailbreak. We can't take this nonsense anymore in our state. Why una hate, una not like the better thing? Why una hate development? What is your problem? The activists I know, they join the state to move the state forward. They do everything to see how they can make the state good. But Oguwa, Giari Iowa, I found my son about Giari Iowa. What is not good is bad. Enough is enough. Peace must reign in this state. Una way say una must destroy the state, you people will end up destroying yourself. Those of you that have vowed to destroy the state, you end up destroying yourself. Those of you that have vowed to cause problem in this state, you will use your head to carry the problem. Edo State is moving forward. For as many of you that has vowed there will never be peaceful atmosphere in this state, you guys will never have peace. Never. Activists I know, they do everything to see how they can join the government to take the state forward. But yet, you guys refuse to sit down. And you call yourself activist? What kind of activist are you? What kind of activist are you? What kind? Those of you benefiting from crisis, your days are numbered. Those of you, the blood of those people that died yesterday, none are head, not for require them. Whether people like it or not. Why are you guys being so wicked? But hear this, there shall be no peace for the wicked. There shall be no peace for the wicked. Psalm 63 verse 10, the Bible says, For those that seek my soul to destroy it for whatever reason, they will go down to the lower part of the earth. For those of you seeking to destroy the peace and progress of this state, you will go down into the lower part of the earth. You guys will go down to the lower part of the earth. Ah! Ha ha ha! Una no fit divide this state. Edo state, Edo people are one. I will join hands together to take this state to the next level. No state can develop under chaos. No state can develop under crisis. Those of you beating the drum of war, you end up, the war will swallow you up. So, okay, when I make Edo state be like Libya, Abi? When I make Edo state be like Libya, when I help now take carry on. On the head, now take carry on. I'm concerned about the peace of Edo State. Me, Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, I am concerned about the peace of Edo State. And nobody should instigate crisis in this state. Nobody born of a woman. Nobody born of a woman can try that. Nobody. Nobody. My interest is the peace of the state. You will instigate crisis. You remember saying your mama there? You there abroad, you there instigate crisis. Your brother there, your papa there. And you teach everything break out, they will travel overnight. Come on now, you guys should think. You can never experience a meaningful development in a community where there is crisis. You can never. You can never see great achievement in a community where there is crisis. What do you guys benefit from crisis? Enough is enough. Emmanuel Agbogun, you are the ringleader instigating problem in this state. You know, before, like I've said it before, that the battle is not over. You guys can go back and play my video of 3 weeks ago. I said this, I said the battle is not over. Anything that is happening now, I'm aware. God have revealed it. I said it before now. I said this is time to pray more for Obaseki. This is time to pray more. No nation, no state can develop under the atmosphere of rancor. You can only get progress in a state where there is peace. That's what the Bible says. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem, so that the people who dwell there can live in peace and do well. You the trust on. Oh, let there be war. Remember your parents are here. Remember your families are here. And you think they will escape from the problem? And you think they will escape from the crisis? Nobody should trust you into the market, because you don't know the person head where the stone will meet. But the stone will not the truth for market, and our head will meet. Now our head now go meet. And I go carry what you know the plan. Just hold on there. I'm doing a program. Yeah. So, if you like call me evil, I accept. But I can never be like you. I can never be like you. I can never be like you. I refuse to encourage lawlessness. People who encourage lawlessness in a state are evil. People who encourages lawlessness are evil. What a beautiful like that, not go to school. Go and check a developed country. Not the developed country was not being developed on the altar of lies. They did everything within their power to ensure that there's progress in the state. All I am after is peace. All I am after is peace for my state. We don't need war. But the man that is beating the drum of war right now is Emmanuel Agbogun. Get ready to face the music. Get ready to face the music. You can't cause war in this state. No. You're not rich to cause war for the state. Emmanuel Agbogu, you're not rich to cause war for the state. The whole world will turn against you. The whole world will turn against you. Because you never come out one day to speak against the 10 billion naira Oshiomhole collect with a build mansion. Emmanuel Agbogu, you not come out one day to condemn the 3 road project where Oshiomhole award for airport road for 3 contractor. You keep quiet. Emmanuel Agbogu, you never talk about the 30 billion naira Oshiomhole collect where they put us on that bondage. So when they be say if rain they fall, we don't fit drive motor, we don't fit go and recover erosion. You are a wicked man. Anybody where just say there will not be peace in this one, no get peace again. Why? Una go pack. We are ready for you guys. We are ready for you guys. We are ready now. I wish I never talk to them before. Me, are ready for them now. Now, you have never, Emmanuel Agbogu, you have never, for one day, condemn the evil act of Oshiomhole. We Oshiomhole forget 11.5 billion naira to buy private jet, 10 million naira to build out for Iyamo. When Oshiomhole they called them, what did you do? You kept quiet. You kept quiet. Emmanuel Agbogu is not saying the truth. It's causing problem in the state. Is that what you call truth? Is that what you call truth? And you are happy people are dying and you call that one truth? Come on now, which will be more than reasonable. For once, let's start telling ourselves the truth. For once, let's start telling ourselves the truth. All I am after right now is peace. I need peace in Edo State. We need peace in Edo State. We need peace. We need peace in Edo State. No nation can be developed under the atmosphere of rancor. We need peace in Edo State. And who no one give up peace, get ready to face the music. Get ready to face the music. We need peace in Edo State. Irrespective of who you are, get yourself prepared. If you don't want to let us get peace, get ready to pack your bag and baggages and get out of the state. When our time don't reach, we can't take this rubbish anymore. Now this message I think I can address Emmanuel Agbogu this evening, because you need to be invited as soon as possible, because you are causing problem in our state. You call yourself an activist and you can't reason with your head? Activists, I know, they are known to say how they can do the right thing, but you keep causing problem. You keep causing problem. Emmanuel Agbogu, stop instigating people to cause violence in our state. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. How can you take over? Is it person like Emmanuel Agbogu that want to take over? The youth are not, most of the youth are not prepared. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Let's call a spade a spade. All me I'm fighting for right now is peace. I need peace in my state. We need peace in the state. People want to come home for crying out loud. Our brothers want to come back home to invest for crying out loud. People want to come to build, to see how they can invest in our state for crying out loud. Make una let them come build. What to say? We no go fold hand to allow and destroy the state. Some of us no go fold hand to allow and destroy the state. Now yeah, I want to drop this message this evening. Make una send Agbogu and say make it let peace reign for the state. I don't care whether stainless talk anything. I'm not bothered about stainless. That's not my business. I have no interest in that. My interest is that Emmanuel Agbogu should not cause war in our state. We need peace in our state. We need peace. It's peace that we want in our state. Those of you clapping, get yourself when the drum go, when the war go the beach. Now the house will happen. Not be for my state. Not my state. We can never take it from any of you. If we are not succeed during election, after the election, we are not going to succeed. The inauguration will be successful, and the second term of Obaseki will be successful. For now clear eye, we are going to say the state go to develop. For now clear eye, we are going to say the state they develop. Who not ready to see the state move forward, get yourself, go and buy the next ticket and leave the state for us. Edo is moving forward, and there is nothing anybody can do. Emmanuel Agbogu, you're too small to cause problem in this state. I say make I address you this evening because you are acting like a baby. When an adult begin to behave like a baby, you address that adult like a baby. So that's why I address you this evening like a baby, because you are behaving like a baby. So now people, now I want to talk and reach. Let's join us together to build a state. Let us see how we can move on to make Edo State great. Let us see how things will be okay for us in this state. I don't bother to listen to some of you because you guys now get me down. Some of you need brain check, so I won't talk to some of you. Need brain check. Some of you need brain check. So let's join together to build this state, and we need peace, and we must move forward, and there is nothing anybody can do. So our people want to come back to Nigeria to help build our state. Our brothers and sisters, they want to come to invest in our state. Therefore, whoever that want to stand against the peace of this state, get yourself prepared and face the wrath of God. Get ready to face it. Get ready to face it, because there's nothing anybody can do. God bless every one of you. My name is Jeremiah Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. I'm a strong supporter of peace and progress. I believe in development. The state must be developed. I cannot stand to watch some individual to cause chaos and problem in our state. We are prepared to join hands with our governor to see how we can move the state forward. I refuse to encourage lawlessness in our state. I refuse to encourage lawlessness in our state. A state where there is no law. What do you say? Anarchy. We don't need anarchy in our state. We want to see peace. Parents want to go to farm. Parents want to go to, children want to go to school. Things must move well in Edo State. Edo State is blessed, and there is nothing anybody can do. The glory of Edo State must shine. The glory of Edo State must shine. The glory of Edo State must shine, and there is nothing anybody can do. United we stand. We are going to unite with the governor to ensure that he make this state the state of our dream. I don't want to run abroad. I don't want to run out of the state because of anarchy. No, I want to remain in the state to see how we can make the state good, so that our brothers overseas can come to say, yes, I have a home, I'm going. That is my dream, and that's my prayer, and that's the reason I'm fighting. I will continue to fight. Edo is moving forward, and there's nothing anybody can do. God bless every one of you. Please tell him Agbogu that his days are numbered. They should stop causing problem in our state. My name is Jeremiah Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. I don't need to collect money from anybody to talk. No. Far be it. I still remain resolute. No man is perfect. I will continue to give my support to the governor to ensure that we have peace and progress in the state. I, Apostle Alfred, hereby pledge my total allegiance to ensure that there is peace in our state, and I will support the governor to make sure that they take this state to the next level, so that my children will have a place that they call home, so that my people all over sea can say, yes, let us go back to Edo State. There is peace in our land. All I am fighting for is peace and unity, and we are ready to fight against anyone that want to kill our peace. God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. Let us know what you think about the things where Apostle Alfred don't talk concerning Emmanuel Agbogu. Go to comment section. Make you put your own for there. Let us know what you think about Emmanuel. And before you go, I beg, make you also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with the things where they happen for Edo State. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.